I'm John Jolliffe, Product Manager for Ascertia, makers of the world's most comprehensive trust services and digital signatures products. SigningHub makes it easy for users to digitally sign or share agreements, contracts, and other documents using a wide range of powerful workflow features. Documents can be uploaded from your device, your SigningHub library, or a number of cloud storage providers. Documents can be uploaded in a number of supported formats, and upon upload, they're automatically converted to the PDF format to preserve the document's content and layout and enable the long term preservation of signatures in the final document. Users can sign themselves or include other participants using a number of different workflow types: serial, parallel, individual, or a custom combination of all of them to create the ideal workflow logic. You can also set the role for participants, such as signer, reviewer, meeting host for face to face signing, editor, or someone to receive a copy. And you can use the permissions to define what each participant can do during and after the workflow, such as printing and downloading the document, adding attachments, or changing recipients. You prepare documents using SigningHub's intuitive document viewer. A wide range of fields for signatures and other information can easily be dragged and dropped anywhere within a document to collect information from each participant. Document owners have complete control over the type of signature and the level of assurance they require for each participant in the document, including simple e-signatures, AATL, and EU qualified signatures or seals. Document owners can also send a customized message to workflow participants. Your SigningHub dashboard clearly displays the status of your workflows and allows you to sign any pending documents or remind participants that they need to sign. SigningHub, powerful e-signature workflow options to help you get all your agreements signed simply, efficiently, with legally reliable electronic and digital signatures. If you'd like to know more about how Ascertia and Ascertia digital trust products work, then please don't hesitate to get in touch or check out more of our videos on our YouTube channel.